In this video, I will show you how to add shadow in Canva image. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are on Canvas. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and start a new blank project. So we're just going to go and search for something and we're going to type blank. Let's just go ahead and select blank logo. So here we are with our project ready to go. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is of course add the image that you want to add a shadow to. So you can either upload your own image or you can use a image from Canva. In this tutorial I'm just going to add an image of an apple. So I'm just going to search for apple on Canva. And what I'm going to do is select this picture here of this apple and just click to add it to my project. Now to go ahead and add shadows to this, all you need to do is simply click to select the image. Then if you come up to the top, you're going to get this little toolbar. What you want to do is click onto the edit option. And then what you can do is come over to the left hand side, and underneath the FX effects section, you can see there's an option for shadows. So if we go ahead and give that a click, you've got a number of different types of shadows you can add. We can add a drop shadow, we can add a glow around the image, or a backdrop, so you can add different shadows just like so by selecting from the options here. Now in this tutorial I'm going to add a drop shadow just like so, so I'm going to click to select a drop shadow, and what you can do is further customize your shadow by using the slider bars underneath. So you can see we can select the blur amount by moving the slider, so we can select how blurry the shadow is. We can also change the angle of the shadow just like so, as well as the distance of the image from the shadow. And we can also change the color of the shadow by selecting the color here and using the color selector to change the color of our shadow. Once you're happy with everything, all you need to do is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the share button and click download to download your completed image. And that is how to add shadow in Canva image. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.